3 of rain, and Clover is bored, so we're trying to set up some entertainment for him. So the first thing we're gonna do is I set up his little game, his little carrot game. He loves carrots, so he's got a little puzzle and he's very excited, and we're gonna do that. Clover, you know you're not supposed to start until I say so, okay, right? You gotta wait. Well, Okay, Clover, are you ready? Wait. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, go! Freebies. He's got some freebies to get him started, and then it's like puzzle time. He's done it a bunch of times, though. I think he really knows how to work this puzzle. Yeah, he knows what he's doing. But he loves this game, though. I think I gotta get him a harder one. Did you get them all? Let's see. See if you got them all. Oh, yeah, you got them all. Good job. Yes. Good job. Lie down. Yes. Roll over. Yes. Good job. All right. I hid some carrots around. You think you can find them? I hid some. Go find them. He found the first one. So now he's gonna look for all the rest of them. Yeah, you gotta use your nose, buddy. Sniff, sniff, sniff. Oh, good job. I think there's at least 2 more. There's 2 more. I think you're barking up the wrong tree in here. Oh no, there's one right there actually. You did good, but you didn't find it. That's so weird. You're not using your nose. It's literally right there. Oh my gosh, Clover, please. What? What? Take another look. Take another look. Keep looking. Keep looking. You'll find it. Find it. You got this. I believe in you. I believe in you. Yeah. Do you want a hint? You can find it. Clover, it's over there. Clover, it's right there. Oh my gosh, he's so funny. Clover, it's right there. It's literally right there. Do you help with the others? There's 2 more. There's 2 more. Go find them. Oh, I heard crunching. I think he found the one in the storage room. You're standing right in front of it, literally. I don't know what to tell you. Oh, you found it! Yay! Good job! You did it! You did it! Okay, you want your ball machine? You want it? Ball machine. Ball machine. Do you want your ball machine? The way that he thinks balls magically come out of here is the funniest, because there's the ball that needs to be put in there, but he thinks when I set it up that a ball is magically going to come out of it. And we never really taught him to put it, to like play with it correctly without us. So this part is pretty funny. What do you think is going to happen, Clover? I'm gonna move this a little closer actually. What do you think is gonna happen? That ball needs to be put in there to come out. Can you bring me the ball, please? Can you bring? Clover, please. Take it. Take the ball. Clover, take the ball. Yes. Thank you. Fancy because he's trying to catch the ball with his face, and sometimes he's doing it. Look at what he's trying to do. What's going on, Clover? Overachiever. I think he can do it, but he's getting bopped in the face every time. Let's do this. You got this, Clover. You got this. Oh! You keep getting it bopped in the face. Here, I'll turn this down a little bit. Oh, almost. Why are you trying to up your game, Clover? I did it! Are you okay with being bopped in the face every time? I guess so. Oh! Okay, my man is now committed to catching the ball. Committed. Oh, try again, bro. Look at this fool. What are you doing? You're committed to this now? You're a clown. How does that not hurt your head? All right, good afternoon. It is the next day. I just made some black bean soup for lunch. It looks so good. I'm really looking forward to tearing into that. I also have some hot sauce just in case it isn't hot enough. But it's hair washing day, so I'm not gonna let you guys see me because I look ridiculous right now with my hair in 4 sections. But I will talk to you later after I finish my lunch. All right, my hair is drying. We're full of clips. There's a clip right here and there's a clip right here. I'm gonna probably blow dry a little later. And I have gotten ready. I've painted my nails. I think I'm being filmed today for some publicity for the concert on Sunday, but I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it is. Anyway, I'll have to double check my email. I've got a lot of things to do today before I have to leave for a rehearsal, which I will definitely take you guys with me today. We're going to Artist for Humanity, which is in Boston. That's where the concert is, but we're having our dress rehearsal there in about, it starts at 7, so it's like in 4 hours. And I thought I would sit and talk with you, and I'm also going to organize my little video game drawer because the whole point of the drawer has changed in the last few months. I have many more consoles up here than I originally had. All my consoles were downstairs in the lower level, and now they're all up here because I capture the video and audio from them to make content on my other channel. So we're gonna organize some of the stuff in there. But I thought I would catch up with you really fast and say that I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to like realistically finish Vlogtober, but I'll do the best I can. I just realized I have a rehearsal on Saturday, which I haven't practiced any of the music for, and then Sunday is the concert for that I'm rehearsing for tonight, and also the service that I need to sing in the morning on Sunday. So I have both church and the concert, non-church concert in the afternoon. So I have to learn. I don't think I have to learn. I don't think it's super hard music for the church gig, but it's Bach and Dürrfley and Bird. So I have to take a look beforehand, and I think I have to fill out some paperwork as well. So I'm not sure how much I'm going to be around, but I'm definitely going to take you through the vlogging experience, and even if the videos come out in November, you'll have the content, so no worries. And I just wanted to thank you guys for watching and hanging out with me all this month. I love the vlog every day months because it's like you guys are my best friends all months. So I went to the dentist this morning to get fitted for a night guard because apparently in 2020 I started grinding my teeth. Shocker. And so I've been using like an over-the-counter kind of mouth guard since then, but I am going to spring for the dentist acrylic made one. So as a dentist, they were scanning my teeth with a little scanner thing, which was weird, but you know, it was necessary, and it was very expensive. I was shocked at how much it costs, but hopefully some of it will be covered. I don't know. We're not sure. And then we had Clover for a long walk today. He did really well. He still is very thirsty. I don't know what's going on with him, but he seems normal otherwise. I hope it's not diabetes. I'm just crossing my fingers, but if it is, there's something I can do about it, except for treat him. So I'm holding on to that thought that like it's nothing serious. So, and I also was reading some of the comments in the last video because I was saying that I was going to start going through some of my dad's stuff next month in Maryland, and how, you know, that was it's going to be a really hard thing for me to do. And I've gotten a few comments on people are surprised how well I appear to be doing. And the truth is I am doing okay, but what you see on video is a very curated, edited version of my life, and the amount of time I spend dealing with grief is a lot more than I show. And I find myself being surprised of how much time has passed since I lost my dad. Oh, here come, I can hear little feet. I hear little feet. Hi! Come here. Do you need to go out and pee? Do you need to go pee? Alright, I'll take you to pee real quick. I think the overall feeling I have with, struggling with the most is the feeling of being robbed of, you know, so many more years with him. Because he was doing everything right, you know, like he was exercising, he was eating right, he was learning constantly, and he was just a victim of his genetics. And that was hard for me to deal with. And the fact that losing someone who has dementia is a different kind of experience, because you can talk with them and then all of a sudden you can't communicate with them, but they're still there. And it's a weird kind of mourning, a very different kind of loss and acceptance, a very ambiguous kind of loss. So I miss my dad every single second of every day. There are so many times when I wish I could just text him. Alright, anyway, maybe I'll show you what my drawer looks like right now, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterward. So we have this man here, and then I took a COVID test, negative. And then in my top drawer, I've got some games and like the little containers for my switches and like some stuff, but it's not really that organized. What is this? Oh, this is my control. This is an NES controller, but it's actually a Joy-Con. It goes in the Nintendo Switch. It's for playing old games. It's amazing. It's like the same size and shape as the original NES controller, and it feels great in the hand. And then this is my other drawer. Like, what is this? I have a controller down there. I got some snacks. I got some more games, so it's not looking very good. So I'm gonna get control of this, and then I'll see you after that. Okay, we did a super quick tidy up. The first one is now just my computer and computer stuff. This is my laptop. I've got a couple of fans and stuff underneath. I mostly just use this to play The Sims now, just to be honest. But you know, she's still going. And a couple of cords, my headphones and a mouse to go with my Sims stuff. And down here is where all the good stuff, all the game stuff is. So there are also GameCube games in here, but there's the official boxes here. These aren't all my games, but it's all the games I like want to play right now and maybe make content out of. The carry cases are in the back, and the controllers are on the side. We got the Wiimote, we got the GameCube controller, but this one's for the Nintendo Switch. Super cool. And then we've got like some other controllers and my little NES controllers back there. This drawer makes me so happy. I love it. We gotta straighten this out. There we go. Put that right there in the corner. Yeah, we love that. Anyway, I'll do a quick and dirty edit for you guys. And tomorrow, I'll see you at the Artists for Humanity Epicenter. I'm so excited to show you all our new concert venue. Well, we're just doing it the one time, but it's gonna be super cool, I think. And a little bit of rehearsal behind the scenes. So get excited. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.